Ever wonder what's in an America's Thrift 5-pound mystery jewelry bag? Let's open one and find out. Hey everyone, it's Angela Irene with Aged Goodness. Thank you so much for joining us today. This is number 3 in our series of What's in the Bag. Okay, I ordered from America's Thrift the 5-pound mystery jewelry bag. So let's open it up and find out what's in this one. This one's open. Okay, nothing else in the bag. Okay. First impressions. Okay. I know I'm making a lot of noise, aren't I? Sorry about that. All right, let's take a look. Okay, first off, we've got an earring that's kind of dirty. Okay, this is kind of funky and cute all at the same time. Look at the kitties, or these foxes. What are these? I think that's more of a fox. What do you think? Cute, right, though? Okay. Wooden beads. Cute, cute. Okay, maybe this will come out on its own. Oh, it will. Let's see. Okay, here is another one of those earrings. Okay, really, really, these are dirty. If you really love this earring, you could probably clean them up. But they really are dirty. Okay, this is a name. I saw it right off. Let's see. It says 925 SP. I don't know. I mean, that's what the little clasp says. This jump ring, however, is not soldered. I mean, usually they do that with gold, not always with silver. It could be. Okay, so here's the chain, which is nice and bright. And then this beautiful shell pendant, which has the applique on it, which is a beautiful little silver tone. That really is a nice piece. Okay, let's see if we can get these pink ones out. These are fashion plastic beads. I mean, they do have closure, so that's okay. Okay, look. Okay, these are big and bold and funky chunky. Those are, you know what, they would be a hoot at Christmas, let me tell you. Oh, speaking of Christmas, okay, well, we'll see about getting those out. Okay, there's that. Okay, this is going to be a ton of like boho earrings and, well, maybe just boho jewelry in general. You know, and I'm going to take the time. But it's pretty cool. Okay. This looks a lot like a Brayton piece. It does have a little heart on it. Cute though, huh? Okay, these are glass. Very nice, very nice. Aw. Okay, well, these are cold, so I'm going to say glass beads. Need some work. There's a single earring. Okay, this matched that green one. So maybe we have, you know, maybe we'll have some pairs yet. Okay, that's a nice earring. Yeah, this is a fun old earring. I have a feeling this bag is going to be a little more challenging than the last. I don't want to pull. Bear with me, gang. Okay, well, this came out. Paparazzi. Does anybody even sell paparazzi anymore? It's been so long since I've been in the jewelry. Okay, but it is new. The earrings are still attached with the necklace, which does have a great look to it. Okay, there's that. Let's see if we can get this out. Well, if in doubt, unclasp it. See if we can get it out that way. I still don't think I'm winning. It's been a while. I'm a little out of practice. I can always fast forward. Yeah, this is through it pretty good. Okay, you know what? We'll keep pulling stuff out. Eventually we'll get to it. I don't think I've ever had a paparazzi bracelet. And this one has a tag attached to it. Very nice. All right. Oh, I like this. Oh, this is cute. I am so digging the colors. I'm sure it's modern, but if that doesn't say late 60s, early 70s, I don't know what does. It just has a little drop on it. Ugh. Okay. You know what? I may, this piece may be the piece I have to save out of this bag. I don't know. I'm going to put it to the side. Let's see what I can pull out. Oh, this is pretty too. Oh my gosh, guys. There's some really pretty looking stuff in here. If I can get it out. Okay, well, there's an earring. I see it's match. Okay, these guys need some work. Okay, they you know, need a little love. Or a lot of love. I hope everybody is well. Let me know in the comments. Are you still ordering these things? Are you worried about ordering these bags? You know, what's everybody, how are they feeling about this? I mean, I had a whim and I just had to. I miss it so much, you guys. I really do. I am so excited to be a grandma. I'm so excited to start that next journey. I'm going to watch the little one. I'm going to babysit. Oh my good gracious. Okay, you know what we might do? Here, let's do this. Okay, here's the silver tone. I think it's a gold tone. It's a little bit of loss. This is mingled in with it. These are glass beads. And this is a nice, looks like stone pendant. So we've got some nice pieces already started. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, some glass, some acrylic. Love the colors. Beautiful colors. This bag to me has a boho vibe for sure. Okay, look. I think they may have had things like in the store. And then, because it's weird to have the earrings kind of come out in pairs, right? So that's an interesting look. Okay, everything is loving everything. I'm working on it. I'm working on it. So, and if you have moved on from, you know, like Goodwill blue boxes and America's Thrift, what are you doing, you know, what are you doing now? Are you just thrifting? Okay, this is Monet. Oh, man alive. I love this one. Look at that. Glass pearls, the gold tone. Oh. Can't. All right, we'll talk about this one. I always say I'm probably going to take one thing out of the bag. And I always tell you what it is I'm going to take out. So there's no surprises. And then the rest of it, I put up for sale as the lot. You're going to get it just as we found it. This is Hong Kong. Love the colors. These are faux stone. Look at this. Pretty. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. Yay, I think I'm going to get it. Here we go. I think so. Okay, it's got a friend. All right, well, we have the two pieces that are kind of... Ah, here we go. Okay, is this somebody? This says... Belljoy. Okay. This almost looks like a white buffalo. Looks like howlite, maybe? But isn't that pretty? And, well, it might not be. This one also is Belljoy. And that has probably the Dalmatian Jasper. And then this tassel. These are really gorgeous. This, I think I would take that off. Okay, but we definitely have some stone jewelry. Let's put that over to the side. I am trying to see if I can't get this one, which is loving a whole bunch of folks here. Always when you're doing this, I always find if I can get the earrings out, look here, we do have a pair, nice, that I have a better shot of getting everything else out. The earrings seem to really create a lot of havoc. All right. Faux stone. This always reminds me of like power businesswoman, That's a nice piece too. Oh, I love these. Okay, there's like, miscellaneous garbage too. Okay, these are the silk thread beads. Oh, that's pretty too. That's an older piece. Let's see. I'm starting to avoid all of the stuff I got in the front. I don't know why I thought the back would be easier. Okay, another earring. Oh, they're like the little silk peach color. It's pretty. This might just be a whole lot of somebody having fun detangling. These are, plasticky acrylic beads. Multi-strand. Looks like it might be all there. What is this? Tole? I don't know. It's I've never heard of this. Towle. Wow, this thing is heavy. But it looks like the little stones are all there. Look at the size of that pendant. Wow, okay. Let's put that off to the side. Okay, there is some interesting stuff. I mean, these are plastic beads. I mean, we have some interesting different dynamic pieces in here. This reminds me of like 80s businesswoman. These are plastic, but I like the color of those. Okay, this yeah, I think they're just all glass, except these faux pearls. Okay, that would be good to repurpose. What is this? What is this? Let's see if I can get this out. Okay, there's another start to an earring. What is this? Oh, it has a chip. Wonder if somebody could just maybe paint that green so it looks kind of like, one of the other flowers. Well, some of this stuff will be repurposed, you know. Okay, oh, here is the other one of those. I'm still avoiding this front piece like the plague. Oh, okay, I've got that piece out. Let's see. Gold tone. Oh, that's pretty. Glass. So we have glass beads and then these stations with little rhinestones in them. That's a nice piece. Okay. Looks like pearls. That's really pretty. I don't know, you know, the Shambhala thing here. Might take that just for that. And then have the pearls, maybe you make a set of earrings, pair of earrings. That'd be pretty. These did not look as nice shape as the lavender ones. These look a little dingy. Might be able to wash them though. Okay, these are inexpensive, lightweight. Oh, here is the other earring. We had this earlier. Okay, so we definitely have some pairs. Lightweight. Okay, this thing is broken. You know what? I'm going to put it back in the bag. Well, maybe not. Maybe it just has things falling off of it. No, it is broken. Oh, but there are some nice glass pearls and these interesting stations here, which look like they're in pretty good shape. These would be great to do something else with. Okay, so this definitely has some repurpose vibes going on. Okay, that's pretty. Okay, this green rhinestone adjustable ring. Different. Kind of looks holiday-esque. A single earring for Halloween. Okay, I got this out. These are glass and looks like acrylic beads. A lot of them are glass. Wow. That's a lot of beadwork right here. Oh, yeah, there's lots of repurposing for here. Look at this. That's a hefty piece. Inexpensive. All right, so this bag has a lot of variety. Wow. That's pretty. Look at this one. Nice. I love that color. And let's see, because it's adjustable. And it works, so you can have a much larger wrist or a much smaller wrist. You know, okay. Oh my goodness, come on. Oh, very Southwestern vibe. You know, me and cord, I'm not actually, you know, all that thrilled with it, but yeah, you know what? The cord is just not in great shape. I would take this off, repurpose it, and it feels like a man-made stone. Okay. That is pretty. You know, this piece is very sturdy. This piece is very lightweight. I'm going to say somebody maybe had created something different. This is CE. It's from Disney. Disney store. And it's got London on it. And then it has CEDAX 04 France. Well, I don't know. That's pretty interesting, isn't it? We'll have to, oh, I didn't even see these. These are Aladdin lamps. This might be worth looking into. Okay, here's another one of those cheapy bracelets. Here is that other earring. You know, very boho. Okay, let's see what else is here. This is one of the things that caught my eye right off the bat. And if we don't find the other one, this would make a great pin or pendant. Let's see. Wow. Well, looks like, ugh. Okay. Could be in the bag. Never know, but it's missing something. Oh, this poor thing has seen better days. We had something similar. We had a Halloween-looking theme one. This one is a gnome. You know what? This is not in great shape, but it does have some good pieces. Here is a cufflink, which has seen better days. But you probably could paint that again. We'll see. Faux pearl, a cute little kid ring. Okay, another cheapy little beaded one. This is kind of cute with the owls and the bird. Again, I don't know, maybe it might clean up. Okay, multi-strand, silver tone, and acrylic and shell. That's okay. We have seen our fair share of these in the day. And if you don't like this, they always have such beautiful beads that you could repurpose. You know, kind of the sticker shock of beads. I don't look for a long time, and then all of a sudden I'll look at beads and think, oh my good grief. Acrylic, plastic, and couple glass beads. But the pricing on some of this stuff these days has gotten out of control. These are glass. Those are pretty. Those are really pretty. This feels like glass and a lot of little bits and pieces. You know what? It needs to be restrung, but actually the composition is pretty cool looking. These look like howlite beads. Needs to probably be restrung, but a lot of nice pieces though. Okay, let's see. Oh, that's a pumpkin. That's cute. This wraparound heart is interesting. That's a piece of an earring. Oh, you know what? I bet it went to this. I bet these two are together. But pretty though. Oh, I like this. Oh, gosh. I hope we have the other one of these. How cool would that be? Let's see. Oh, like a little scarecrow? I don't know. That's different. Another little ring. I like the color. That blue is beautiful. Okay, I'm pulling from the bottom because I'm just terrified to pull from the front. All right, we have those. Let's see about this one. Okay, that is cool too. That's a cool looking piece. Okay, those I'm really digging. Okay, this is, wait. Look. All right, so there is the pair of that. Those are beautiful. A little single. Oh, these are nice and cold. I would take that. It again looks like it might need to be restrung, but good for repurposing. Let me tell you, there are some really cool things in here to repurpose. This one needs a little work, but I think again, stuff that you could use again. Okay, longer necklace. These are acrylic. I think you could save some of those. This one Oh, I like that. Okay, so more stone. We have stone and glass. Let's put that over there. More fashion. What? Let's see if I can get this guy out. I want you to be able to see everything as we're going along. Okay. Fashion. Little elephants. Oh, those are cute. Okay, I really want to get this one out, but it is really stuck in here. Little fashion. Okay, here's that other earring. I love these. I'm really hoping I find the other one of those, but I'm not really seeing it, and we're at the end here. Okay, there's another earring. That one is not in good shape. Okay, we did have this one. That was in the beginning. Let's see. Here it is. So we definitely have older inspired, whether they're older or they're inspired, but definitely cool. This is glass. These are glass little beads. That's a cute little piece. This one definitely has a kind of a boho vibe, but then, you know, all of a sudden we have something that doesn't look remotely boho. So I think it's got a little bit of everything. These were from the beginning. We definitely had that. And I think we may have had that one from the beginning. But there's a lot of great stuff for crafting, if that is your jam. Okay, look at this one. This is multi-strand. So definitely you could use that for some chain, right? There again, it was expensive when I was looking at pieces for, you know, what it was for jewelry. Okay, we had that one. It was nuts. And everything at our Walmart is, this is not in the greatest shape, is under glass, is behind glass. So if you want something, you have to ring the bell. Hope somebody comes and finally unlocks it for you. And it sounds like at our Michael's, they were thinking about doing that too. So, which is pretty sad. I always liked to look at everything. You want to touch it and feel, you know, is it a nice weight? Is it not a nice weight? And it doesn't look like, at least up here, that we're going to get that opportunity. This is just a mess. I am trying, gang. Down to not a ton left. Okay, there's this one. Oh, you know what? Those colors are really pretty. Acrylic, plastic. This one looks in nice shape. Let's see. Are we marked? Okay, if you have a little dangle, are you sure you're not marked? No, it's not marked. It's not branded. Okay, but that is a pretty piece. For a night out with your, you know, for work outfit, that'd be pretty. That's a nice one. I'm trying, gang. We have got some stuff. Oh, thank goodness. Okay. Jingle bells. Okay, you know, I know you're probably not going to use them, but I will still include them back in this thing because that's how we're going to roll with the little system we got going on here. Okay, we had this one earlier. Basketball Mom. Pretty sure that's, I don't know if that's what it said last time. Okay, there's a few more. I'm avoiding this thing like the plague. Oh, we do have that other earring. These are together. These have a cute look. It does look, it kind of has that patina of silver, but you never know. Okay, here's a little shell one. I might have that one somewhere. Okay, well, you can kind of see what I'm working with here. I have a few odds and ends. These are wooden. This with the I'm not sure if it's supposed to be a tooth or a claw. Oh, hang on. All right. So here's this one. That's really pretty. With the wooden beads. Okay. Haha. Here's somebody who's causing a lot of havoc in here. And of course, it's an earring. Okay. Oh my goodness. No, it's in there pretty good. I will probably have to fast forward through this. I'm so sorry, gang. Oh my goodness. Okay, so here's one of the kind of the wires. Oh no, it has been a hot minute since I've done this. Okay, I don't know if this piece is with this, but it has a nice cat's eye. It's kind of a newer. This does have a little tarnishing. Almost. Gosh darn it. Haha. If in doubt, undo the clasp. Usually I call it cheating. I usually don't like to do that. I'm not going to let the pieces win. These look like, like faux pearls, but they're cool. And then it has a K and this tassel. This is kind of a cute piece. No name, but cute piece. All right, we have a few pieces that are trying to get to know each other. Okay, we have this one. And this is a faux stone on cord. And we're getting down to the nitty-gritty again. See? Earring. And this is the earring that is stuck pretty good. All right, what does this say? There is a KR. Okay, and right now it is, here's the pendant. And it is stuck with this little chevron necklace. So that's that. Okay, we've got the fashion piece right here. This other earring. Have that little piece. We've got a few odds and ends, couple of earring backs, couple of loose pearls, which came off probably that one. Here is that multi-strand, that ombre look. Very pretty. Okay, so we ended up with these, which were really, really pretty. We ended up with these stone pieces. This really pretty shell necklace. We had stuff that was like this, the other stone and glass. This is an interesting one. You know, the fact that it says that it's Disney, and that's got the reference to France here. So that's very interesting, and London for that matter. So that would be something interesting to research. All right, we also had this, and you know what? You know me, right? I am going to take the Monet. I love Monet more than life itself. I love this. So this one I'm going to keep. However, everything else that we saw, including all of the stone and all of the other great beadwork pieces, the throwback pieces, and including this one, which is going to kill me not to take with me, but this reminds me so much of like Mary Tyler Moore, you know, with Valerie and Cloris Leachman in her little studio apartment. These colors are just to die for. I love them. Everything else is going to be sold just like it is. I mean, look, it's dirty. I'm not going to clean anything. I'm not going to separate anything. It's just going back in the bag. This is bag number 3. So bag number 3 is $60. So if you saw what you liked and you got to see a lot of, you know, parts and pieces that you like, it's $60. That includes shipping to the US only, because I'm not making money on this stuff. I'm not selling this stuff as my business. It would have to be paid through family and friends with PayPal. If you know me, you know I'm an honest seller. If you bought from me, you know you're going to get your stuff. This will be all packed back up just like I had it. I received it in a padded flat rate USPS envelope. That's how it's going to go back. And so, you know, it only takes a couple of days to get to you because it'll be priority mail. So if that's something you want to do, just let me know. I'm going to have the comments open so you can comment. You can send me a message, and we can get it set up. All right, gang, but remember, I am going to keep the Monet. I love this piece so much. This I'm going to keep. Everything else, $60. Just let me know. Thank you so much. I miss everybody. I hope everyone is doing well. I hope to see you very soon. Take care.